Good evening, class.
Hello.
No cell phones in the classroom.
Loud and clear. What we doing today?
Today, we are learning 4 objectives. Understand the basics of the distance formula. Learn who was the inventor of the distance formula. Where was it found? And where can you learn more about the distance formula?
Sounds fun.
It will be.
What is the distance formula?
The distance formula is an algebraic expression that gives the distance between 2 pairs of points.
One second. I'm slow.
That's fine.
Who cares about distance formula?
Who cares about the distance formula?
Like
The distance formula is only one of the most important things in the whole world.
who invented it? Who cares? Who would care enough to invent this?
Pythagoras. That's who cares. Pythagoras.
That's it.
One moment, young grasshopper. Pythagoras was educated in Greece. He was born in about 570 BC.
That's when your mom was born.
Pythagoras was a traveler. He created the distance formula so he could learn more about what he was traveling and where he was traveling.
Where did he travel to?
Pythagoras traveled and gave his knowledge to 6 major countries at the time. The 6 countries were Egypt, Babylon, what are you doing?
Hey, I got a text.
No phones in the classroom. Babylon, Arabia, Phoenicia, Judah, and India. Do you have the information?
No, I don't think you do either.
Be respectful.
So, how is this exactly used today? Why does it matter?
The distance formula is used in a lot of different ways. It's used today, for example, in Pythagoras' case, traveling,
Wait, so Pythagoras was the only one who did it?
along with three others who were Euclid, and Descartes. Those were the three major contributors to the distance formula.
Did you grow up with them? 'Cause
No.
you're that old.
They were born in 570 BC. I was born in 1996. Do your math. Back to class. It's used today for traveling and
Who
math.
cares?
And map.
You said never say anything about iPods, Professor.
Map studies. And today, construction.
They're like, if you move like a rock or something, or like a building from point A to point B.
Yes.
I gotcha.
You can move this object from point A to point B. This is your... The distance formula is mainly used in triangles. Would you like to see an example?
Do I have to?
Yes. The equation for the distance formula.
So why'd you ask?
Be respectful in my classroom. I will give you a referral.
Ooh.
The equation is this. Distance equals the square root of x second minus x1 squared plus y second minus y1 squared. Anything else?
Can you give me 2 points to show how this is used?
2 points of how this is used? Yes. Okay.
Like an example?
Example.
So I can do some of my homework.
You're given a triangle on a graph. Say these 3 points are at Say these 3 points are at 5, 6, 5, 2, and 2, 2. What you do is you take this equation and plug them in.
Well, never mind. No question.
Then if you do your math correctly, you'll come out with the square root of 25. The distance equals 5.
That's your
And
answer.
that is of this hypotenuse right here. This is the hypotenuse. I'll show you the dimensions. The 3 different parts of the triangle. This part is the height. This part is what we call the hypotenuse?
Professor, you're wrong. That's the leg.
The leg, also known as the leg. This point, or this line,
Isn't that just the other leg?
is the length or the leg. Good.
Anything else?
Well, is there anything else you would like to know about the distance formula?
Can you just go through that all a short brief so I can grasp it one more last time?
Why, certainly. The distance formula. The equation is d equals the square root of x second minus x first squared plus y second minus y first squared. The history. The three creators and the sixth countries in your notes.
Got him. No worries.
The examples: construction and map work.
Speaking of work, do I have homework?
Your homework is 1 through 100 on page 6 through 50. Yeah. Get out of my classroom.
You can never stop me from letting it hang.